Hello students, myself Anjali Vishwakarma and I have to teach the subject computer. Today we will learn chapter number 1, category of computer and computer language. In this chapter we are learning to state the types of computer, classify computers according to purpose, according to speed and size and according to data processed. So, types of computer. Here the according to the data process there are three types of computer. This classification is based how they work. They are first is analog computer, second is digital computer and third one is hybrid computer. Types of computer. Here the analog computer. As you see this picture, this is not very common computer. It's work by measuring data. Analog computer is computing device that work on continuous range of the values. The result given by the analog computer will only be approximate since they deal with quantities that vary continuously. It generally deals with physical variables such as voltage, pressure, temperature, speed, etc. Results generated by these computers are not completely. There may be any fraction value involved. The result of these computer walk wall clocks are the main example of this computer. They are used by scientists and engineers. They are used for measuring temperature, speed and current. Now, second one is digital computer. Digital computer, they are accepted data in binary forms 0 and 1. As you know that computer only takes 0 and 1 value is called bit. 0 and 1 value is bit. They work by counting data. Most computers are digital computers. Other devices that work like digital are calculators, more recent car, speedometer, electronic watch or stopwatch. The digital computer is designed using digital circuits. Okay. Now there is the two types of main categories: general purpose computer or a special purpose computer. Now third one is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is a analog signals converted process the digital form. It means that hybrid computer combine the desirable features of analog and digital computer. It is mostly used for automatic operations, so they are work like both analog and digital. So the work measuring and also by counting data. It is type used for space exploration like going to the moon. Now I will take one example. In hospital, ICU analog device might measures the patient temperature, blood pressure and other vital signs. These measurements which are in analog might then it converted the numbers and supply to the digital components in the system. These components are used to monitor the patient vital signs and send signals if any abnormal reading is detected. Hybrid computer are mainly used for specialized tasks. Now I hope it's clear. Now classification of computer according to the size and speed. There are four types of computer classification. This is the biggest, most powerful, fastest computer and used for weather casting. And supercomputer is a broad term for one of the fastest computer currently available. This is the picture. And second one is the mainframe computer. It is basic. It's a huge storage capacity. It is basically used in large business or in the government organization. It's not used as a normal way. So third one is mini computer. This is very mainframe computer, but bigger than microcomputer. It can be used by many people at the same time. It is not expensive as mainframe. It is not as packed mainframes. It is used the universities, polytechnics, companies, etc. It is large size. You just see this picture. It is used for scientific research and also in place like banks and large organization. And it is mid-size computer. As we know that, if we take the example of past, destination between large and mini computer and small mainframe computer are blurred. However, has the destination between small mini computer and workstations. But in the general, a microcomputer is the multi-processing system cables of supporting from up to 200 users simultaneously. Now, microcomputer, it is the smallest types of computer. Okay, and it is not fast and costly as a mini computer is the expensive, but microcomputer is not expensive. It can be used as a home school. We know about this computer, we know about the desktop computer, laptops, and so many computer we are using, and in the school we are using mini or micro. Which computer? It's microcomputer we are using in the school. Classification by purpose. Computer can be categorized by its purpose. There are two main purpose of a computer. As I told you, there are two types of purpose, special and general. And general computer, it's designed to solve a large variety of problems. Example, microcomputer which can be used for word processing, spreadsheet, database, games, communication, and other job. Special types of purpose, it's like a which can only used for type testing document. As I told you the example of ICU, that is the special purpose of computer. I think it's clear now. And the revision is this is the revision question. And a road traffic control computer is example of which computer? General purpose, microcomputer, or special computer? Special purpose. Dash computers are designed for a particular work. General purpose, analog, special purpose. Which among these is the fastest in processing data? Manual or electronic or computer? List three types of computer. Mention two computers each under the following classification of computer according to purpose, according to data process, and according to size. Thank you. So enough for today. In next lecture we will discuss about computer language.